Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Texas Decor and More. In this portion of the video, I'm still working on my bedroom. I'm going to be vacuuming because I didn't do that in the previous video. And also, I'm going to be going through my makeup. Y'all, I'm ashamed to say this. I've had some of the same makeup for like 10 years. And I used to be a real big makeup person. And I've just never really gone through it, and I need to go through it. So I'm going to be organizing my makeup and getting rid of all the stuff that I don't want and keeping some of the newer stuff that I do want. So that's what you're going to be seeing. And I'm also going to be cleaning out like the thing that I keep my makeup in. Y'all are going to be seeing that as well. And just some like odds and ends stuff that I still need to get done for the day. So stay tuned. Let's get to it. Let's do it. Let's get organized.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
Sometimes we forget why we're here. It's easy to fall off track. These help us remember.
These battle scars don't look like they're fading, don't look like they're ever gone away. They ain't never gonna change. These battles.
Growing up, I had a dream, something no one one else could see. Tell me what it means when your faith is falling beneath your knees and you can't breathe. Everything you see reminds you of what you're not or something you won't be. You gotta take what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talk